Here's another chance to find the equation of a line given a graph. Now you remember from our last example, we basically, whenever we see that expression, find the equation of a line, what we need is a point and a slope. If we get those two pieces of information, or derive one of those two pieces of information, we can go either to the point slope formula, or sometimes, if we're lucky and we get the right point, directly to the slope intercept formula. But if we get these two pieces of information, we're done. No matter how complicated the problem looks, you're looking for these and then you're done. So let's see what it goes here. We've got this line and we happen to know, oh, the y-intercept is a nice clear point. That's good. So we'll go with writing down our y-intercept. And that is located at 0, 4. Oh, for the next line, try a slightly bigger font here, okay? But there's our 1 point, okay? Point is the y-intercept, 0, 4. Now let's see if we can figure out the slope. Again, going down to the x-intercept is usually where I like to go, but that's not a very clear intersection point. But here they've got a point that's definitely plotted here. The point y equals 7, x equals 7, and y equals -8. So the second point on this line would be 7, -8. Well, with those two pieces of information, we can find a slope. Then we've got a point and a slope, and we're good to go. So let's find our slope. Our slope is equal to change in y over change in x. The change in y is -8 minus 4. Our change in x, well, since -8 is the y we started with, the change in x must start with 7 minus 0. So I've got -12 divided by 7, and that's just -12/7 is where we can go with that. And so because one of our points we have is our y-intercept, we can go straight to slope-intercept form for the line. Y equals -12/7, this goes where the slope goes, right in front of x, plus our y-intercept is 4, and there is our equation of that line in slope-intercept form.